In this video, I want to show you how to check real battery health on iPhone. To check your battery health on iPhone, this video is for you. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings on your phone. So let's go to settings on my phone. So once you go to settings on your phone, I want you to tap on battery. So just tap on battery here. So once you tap on battery here, I want you to tap on battery health and charging. So tap on that. So once you tap on battery health and charging, it is going to show you, if you check the middle here, you are going to see we have maximum capacity. At the front, we have the battery percentage. We have 74% over there. So guys, this is how you can actually check the percentage or the battery health on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.